Hello, I'm Jamie and I'm in the kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make tablet in the microwave in about 15 minutes. Right, this recipe is easy because you need a microwave, a spoon, a tin opener and a bowl. The ingredients is only three, is butter, 110 grams, a tin of evaporated milk, which is 170 grams, and a lot of sugar, 450 grams. Okay, I've opened the tin. Now let's pour in the ingredients. Evaporated milk, the butter, and all the sugar. Okay, next we need to mix this up just so all the milk coats the sugar. Okay, so once you've mixed it up a bit, you need to put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. So you're going to take the spoon out, put it to the side, and put it in. And start it for 4 minutes. Okay, so now while the microwave is doing its stuff, we are going to get a tray and put some greaseproof paper on it. Okay, I'm going to cut the greaseproof paper to size. Okay, so that's it, ready for the tablet to be poured into it. Right, let's take it out, that's 4 minutes. It's quite hot, so be careful. Right, let's just mix it all together so the butter mixes in with everything else. Okay, that's it all mixed in. Back to the microwave. Another 4 minutes, off we go. I've just taken it out the microwave after its second set of 4 minutes. So we're just going to stir it up until it should be a bit thicker than before. Just get it a good mix. After you've mixed up, you're going to put it in the microwave for another 4 minutes, the last 4 minutes, and then you're going to pour it into the tin. That's it. All ready to go. Back for another 4 minutes. Okay, that's it, ready. Just stir up. It should be a lot thicker, by the way, so get it nicely stirred in. If it's not much thicker, I would say put it in for about 30 seconds again, but don't put it in for any more longer because it could burn. So I would say mine's thick enough, so I'm not going to put it in for any longer. Just going to get it so it's all mixed in, there isn't any butter at the edges. Get it so it's all mixed in. Right, get our tray out and we shall pour this in. get it all in there. Okay, it should be set in about 15 minutes, but it will still be hot, so I would wait another 5 for it to cool down a bit. I'll come back when it's ready. I've left it to cool, now it's hard and ready to cut up. So it should not stick, we're just gonna take it out like that. Oh, it cracked. And then we're gonna peel it off. Peel it off. And then it's ready to cut up. So if we grab a knife, this knife is fine, and we can just cut it. It's really easy to cut this. This is a mess. I could have done with a better sharper knife. That's how easy it is to make tablet in 15 minutes in the microwave, and it tastes so good.